That's because you weren't home.
I know, but I was home and they went through all
Wait a minute, get out of the road, Rick, please.
That was darling.
Yeah.
See, I focus right there. This is Randy going at the airport, and I don't think I'm in focus enough.
Come on, Sarah. Come on, Sarah, man. I have to bang. Bang.
Where's his companion?
It's just showing how.
So are they already cinched it up?
Providence beat him.
See that? I bet.
He did. They beat him.
Testimonio?
Testimony?
By accident, man. You really said, wow.
Okay, we're ready.
Not light off. I like the spotlight. All right, leave it on. I don't care.
I was going to say, sit square.
Let's go, my battery's going dead.
Ok, elas mi testimonio de la iglesia de Jesucristo de los Santos de los Últimos Días. Yo sé que Jesucristo vive y por medio de Jesucristo nosotros podemos volver y vivir con Dios otra vez en la vida después de esta vida. Y yo sé que José Smith fue un profeta de Dios y por medio de José Smith tenemos el libro de Mormón. Y yo sé que el libro de Mormón es las palabras de Dios. Y muchas veces en mi vida, cuando yo leo el libro de Mormón, yo siento el Espíritu mucho. Y yo sé que la iglesia es verdadera. Y yo estoy mucho agradecido por la oportunidad. Yo estoy mucho agradecido por la oportunidad de servir a Dios y a Jesucristo, actuar en el nombre de Jesucristo y muchas cosas. Yo me gusta toda la gente aquí. Es buena oportunidad de servir a Dios y yo sé que
10:26 to Houston, they're on there. Well, we're back home from a trip. I just came back from the airport, and our camera wasn't working too well up there, so I'm checking it out down here. Looks okay now. Today is Easter Sunday. We're at Craters of the Moon. Where'd the moonwalker go? There she is. She's walking on the moon. What do you think? Moonwalker? The moonwalker. Hi. You're up so high. A ball and a doll.
Not enough arms.
Another Haley.
Yeah. I only got 2 shots.
This is Craters of the Moon on Easter Sunday. Can you believe the snow? Brooklyn was right. She says, we should have brought our sledding stuff.
I hate to sit on this stuff.
So they took him to the vet, and the doctor fixed up his hands and fixed up his feet.
I don't know if we can see that.
And he said, he
He's
is
in the
good
shade.
as new. And they put him in the zoo. And that's what happened to Smokey the Bear. Yay! Good, come there. Good.
Good morning, little birds.
Oh,
Happy
that's you.
you need to hear these?
Uh-huh.
Okay, you ready?
Uh-huh.
It's too hot in here. Let's go outside. Look in the seat of the tractor where Grandma rides.
The seat of the tractor where Grandma rides.
Wait, let Brooklyn find this one. No baskets in here. It's very clear. Check around Grandpa's favorite chair.
His
Where's
chair.
his chair? I want to find it. Can you hold this?
Oh, she got it.
You can't get in there, Jax. Would you like to sit and rest a bit or go look by the porta potty pit?
Yeah.
Go look at it.
Jax, this stinks. Get out of here. Look at one of the Mohome's mirrors.
The mirrors. Oh, Jack's going to get that one. Get it. Get the paper.
Find it?
Yep, he found it.
What's he find, Easter Bunny?
Mm-hmm. Let's see what it says.
Wow, you all look beautiful today.
Oh,
Why don't you check where your bags are put away?
see, we're going to check where the clothes have been kept. Oh, and what do we have?
A Barney movie.
Really?
Look, here's one.
Wow. It's a book.
Here, this is for you.
Me.
This is for Brooklyn.
Let Grandma see.
Jackson.
Hold them up and let Grandma see, Brooke.
Who's that for?
Ah, cute.
This is for all of you.
Oh,
Oh, he likes Barney.
he found something he likes. Let's see what's in your baskets. Wow. Not too close. Yeah, just stay right there.
Come sit over here.
Oh, cute.
Come here, Jax.
Sidewalk
Let's see what you
chalk.
have. Chalk. It says sidewalk chalk. Look, Jackson, this is yours right here.
Put it up again, Brooke. There it is. Is that cute? Ooh, yummy, yummy, huh?
A lot of goodies.
Eggs.
Oh, look up here.
Oh!
You better let the number 2 one get a few.
Look at you, probably hide too. Brooklyn. Look, Brooke. Brooke.
Oh, they're all over that mountain.
Oh, I found one over here.
Did you really? Good eyes. You do have good eyes.
You didn't hide any real eggs?
That one.
We're going to roll them.
There.
Yeah, you're probably right.
This is the best Easter.
Keep looking.
Keep looking. Did you lose your sucker? You eat your sucker already? No, he ate it.
How many do you have?
Just a minute. Okay. Here they are, rolling their eggs down the hill. Yeah. Whee! There it goes. Kick it. Yes! Kick it again. Kick it again. Okay. Did you find it, Whitney? He's going to roll his now. Okay, roll it, Jackson. Roll your egg. Okay. That is fun, huh? Whee! Where are you, Brooklyn? Where are you?
Right here.
Yeah, but where are you? What place are we at?
Cradles on the moon.
You like it here?
Yes, it's warmer.
It's nice, huh? She got her shorts on out here in the snow. Okay, where are you, Whit?
Me?
Uh-huh.
Cradles on the moon.
You like it here?
Yeah. You can say yeah, I do.
You don't really like it here?
I like it. So does my egg.
Well, you're in the water. Jump out, quick. Huh.
My egg really needed some washing, so I washed in the snow.
Did it get clean?
Yeah. It's not dry. I'll get mine in the snow. It's very clean, but not dry.
Yeah, okay. Wipe it on your pants.
No.
Wipe it on Jackson's pants. They're so dirty. I wish you'd turn around so I could see his dirty face. Get that on camera. Jackson, look at Grandma. Don't make him cry. Don't make him cry. He's having the time of his life. Jackson, look at Grandma.
I'm having a really
You see that high? You're having a really good time, huh? You're being a very good girl. Girls and a boy. Roll it.
I dropped some of my eggs back there, but it's okay. I still have lots.
Do you?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, roll it this way. Roll it down the hill.
Well, will you open this without?
Yeah!
Has he already kicked it?
Okay, it's working. Let's see your new shoes, Brooklyn. Oh, aren't those cute? Let's see your shoes, Jackson. Take a picture of these little flowers before they all go away. They've been so pretty. Some kind of a lily. These are doing quite well. About like the last of my iris. There's a little garden growing. Wasn't sure they were going to bloom. Tomatoes are doing well. This is just before we're getting ready to go to our trip to California. That's going good. That tree has been so pretty. Plants on the wall are doing really well. Then just put these little boards in, kind of pansies. Nice. These are in front of our house. We've never had anything grow too well here, but they're looking good. This is down the west side. We are at Oakland Temple. Pretty pretty. We just finished the temple session. This is the view looking from the temple out over the city. Pretty pretty. fairly clear day today.
It's a little foggy, but not bad. You see over there across the bay, huh?
Oh, yes. Let's see if it... This is looking back at the temple. Look at all these people today. Must be waiting for a wedding party or something. Get up there. Cameras all set up. This must be the place to be on a Saturday afternoon, Saturday morning. The San Francisco Oakland Bridge. We're going to go take a tour of Alcatraz.
Right.
I think that's it right out there. The rock. Oh, throw it.
So it's newer than the other, doesn't it?
Skyline of San Francisco. Oh, we have been here for a long time. The cars down this road, maybe we're in the wrong part of town. Trolley car. Can we ride the trolley? Those wires in the street.
Yeah.
Those trolleys. This line of the ferry we're going to take out to Alcatraz. Just a few minutes. Taking a tour is $38. Got a group of seals over here.
These guys don't know the kayak, they might dump you over.
I'm just laying out there. We're just getting ready to take a ranger walking tour. This is now a national park.
Maybe you'll think about them on the way up. I encourage you to ask questions if you have any
It's the
questions.
nesting season for the birds.
We're going to make, again, we're going to make 3 stops along the way. We're going to end up in front of the stop.
We're in the sail house now. This is the typical sail. 5 by 7 by 9, I think it was. One of the isolation rooms. Cell block D. Dark. Man, rubber straps. Spent 30 years in Leavenworth before he came here. I think he stayed here 8 years. 17 years.
This is a hospital thing, huh?
Oops. He's going to get on our ferry boat now and leave.
1680 kids every day.
Now, as you look up the top of the hill to your right, you probably will see cars coming down. Usually on Saturday, you see some. You see any cars coming down? Okay. Well, you can drive your car down. It's not a good idea to take a bus down there. But a van or a regular automobile is no problem. Because we did have a guy try that about 4 years ago here in Chinatown Catholic School. That from the elementary level all the way up to high school, right here in Chinatown. And this has been going on with the Catholic supervision for many, many years, all the way out to Kearny Street, where an indoor shopping center is located. And due to the fact that most of the older stores, like Macy's department store, has been around for many, many years, they tried to maintain it, but apparently they reached a financial difficulty there, and it's been purchased by a company from Dallas, Texas. So they're in the process with a changeover, and they're not sure it'd be. And right behind that is all part of the Macy's department, and each one consists of, one for men and one for women. On the left-hand side there is the men's department, and on here that is the St. Francis Hotel, which is very famous, been around for way back in 15 years ago. You could buy a nice Victorian, in a nice neighborhood, for say 25, 30,000. Now you cannot.
Up on the top of Twin Peaks. The wind is blowing like crazy, but we do have a good view. And this is kind of looking into the sun. I don't know if this will show up. Fog's starting to come in, they said.
The Golden Gate Bridge was opened in 1937. Well, in the process, why, that was only 29 people actually. Oh boy, that's an expensive ticket right there. Anytime you speed on this bridge, it costs you $371. Speed limit 4 or 5 miles per hour.
There's the Golden Gate. We stopped for a little break. View of the city.
We didn't need to buy you a sandbars.
Alcatraz from the other side here now.
Nice little marina
Zoomed
down
in
there.
as far as it'll go. Where is it? I'll get it.
Right down below
Oh,
you
here
here.
it is. Yeah. Oh yeah, that is nice.
A lot of sailboats in there. They're all sailboats.